Find the highest common factor and lowest common multiple of 140 and 180 using prime factor decomposition. Okay, so let's start with 140, and we need to do a tree. Well, it's 14 times 10. That's 2 times 7. That's 2 times 5. And so we've reached all prime numbers. And so I can say that 140 is 2 times 2 times 5 times 7. Let's look at 180. Could do that as 18 times 10. 10 is 2 and 5. 18, we could do that as 6 and 3, and the 6 would be 2 and 3. And now we have all primes. And so we can say 180 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. And then if we do what we did before and draw a Venn diagram. And one of the circles is for 140 and the other one is 180. So what's in common needs to go in the middle. I can see 2 2's, so we can put 2 and 2 in there. And I can see a 5. So I'm going to put a 5 in there. For 140, all that's left is a 7. For 180, 3 and 3. Now we've seen the highest common factor and how that works before. The highest common factor is what's in the middle. So 2 times 2 times 5, 4 times 5, which is 20. To get the lowest common multiple, we take that 20 and we multiply it by the remaining numbers, the ones in the outside. So 7, 3, and 3. So, well, 20 times 3 is 60, times that by 3 is 180, and so we need to do 180 times 7. 7 times 100 is 700. 7 times 80 is 560, because we know 7 times 8 is 56, and we can add those up, and so we get 0, 6, and so that's 1260. Now you can probably see how the next thing works by looking at the diagram, but if I calculate 140 times 180, so I just multiply the two numbers together and then divide by the highest common factor. Notice how I get the lowest common multiple.